This will cover any truck from 1992 to 1996 and a few 97s, the Super Duty type trucks. This is like OBS style. When this is to how to remove the ignition tumbler out, whatever reason. Now, if you don't have the keys, you're gonna have to do some drilling. But I'm not explaining that in this video. I'll explain that in another one. But you need your ignition keys for this, and what kind of tools you'll need Phillips and a crescent wrench. So first off, to remove the tilt column doohickey, there's a little flat spot on there. You can just grab that and it'll have Loctite on it. Hurt my hand though. Get that out of there. Before you start this, you want to unhook your negative cable off your batteries, and then up in here there's 3 spots. So you got that one, and this one here, and there's Phillips head screwdrivers in there, or Phillips head stuff, thingy, bolts, screws, whatever they are. And yeah, you'll just want to pull 3 of those out. So you'll have 3 screws, take them all the way out. You'll pull the bottom cover up. Be careful, it is really old plastic. So what you see there is the ignition, backside of the ignition. My phone is really crappy, but maybe it'll be alright. So see this little pinhole there? You might be able to see that. Anyway, there's a little pinhole there. And what that is a little lock. Locks the ignition in. So what you want to do is turn on the ignition to the start, like so you have that. Want to just let it there at idle. What you're gonna need for this now, you might know it. Swiss Army knife, MacGyver it. And there's a little thing on the back I'm gonna try for it. I might get that open. Almost like a little pick. You can use like a pick set. So I'm gonna try to set the phone somewhere where you can see. Maybe that'll work. Dump all the screws out. Whoops. It's just spring loaded. Might be greasy, might have to wash your hands. But there we have it. That is the ignition switch module. Do not turn that key. There's little balls and springs in there. You turn it, they'll go flying out, and you'll never find them. Then you got to get yourself another ignition. So once you have it out of there, don't turn it. Fair warning. That's what I heard. But yeah. So I'm gonna put that in another truck because another truck I have does not have that in there. Now you might pull out the gear in there. There's a gear in there. Yes. Oh, steering wheel ain't locked no more. There's a gear in there. You might pull that off with this. If it does, you can grease it up, put it back in, and then whenever either if you're putting in a new ignition or just swapping ignitions, yeah, just slide this back in there. It's pretty heavy, pretty simple. Now, little funny thing about that. You can get yourself I had a flathead screwdriver. I thought you can get a flathead screwdriver and you can actually start your truck without the ignition key in it. But yeah, so that's how you remove the ignition key on your OBS Ford truck. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.